friends, welcome back to Simplified by Singham. And in the last exercise, we learned how to find the largest of two numbers. And today is exercise 2. Here we are going to solve a very common real world problem, which is checking if a year is leap year or not. Sounds interesting, right? Let's dive in. So first, let's understand the problem. So actually, a leap year is that special year which comes once in every 4 years. And why is it special? Because it has 366 days instead of 365 days. Like for example, if you observe the year 2020, it was a leap year, but the year 2022 was not a leap year. So your job today is to write a program that checks this, whether a year is a leap year or not. So before writing any code, let's break the logic down using this beautiful flowchart. So this actually means it will get the year, and if the year is divisible by 4, then we are considering it as a leap year because a leap year has 366 days. So generally the actual logic in order to find a leap year, especially when dealing with maths, so it is this logic which is year mod 4 equal to 0. That means if the year is divisible by 4 and you get the remainder 0, then that means it's a leap year. So if this condition is true, then you will print leap year. If this condition is false, then you will say it is not a leap year and you will end the program. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, now let's convert our flowchart into Python code. So now all you have to do is get user input and year equal to input, and you just have to do enter a year. So we need the input in integers because we are going to perform mathematical calculations. So use int to convert the input from string to integer. And now you will check the condition using if year mod 4 equal to 0, then you will print year is a leap year. Else print year is not a leap year. And that's it. You will write a condition just like that. So what's happening here? First, we take input from the user, which is nothing but getting year, and then we use the modulus operator. So where that means the year is perfectly divisible by 4 or not. So if it is divisible by 4, then you will say it is a leap year. If not, it is not a leap year. Simple rule, simple code. And if I run this program and type 2020, 2020 is a leap year. Okay. And if I type 2022 is not a leap year. Perfect. So that's how you check whether a year is a leap year or not using Python. You see how easy it becomes when we first break the problem down using this flowchart? That's the secret. Don't jump straight into coding. Think first and then code second. If this explanation made your Python journey a little easier today, then do me a small favor. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoyed the step-by-step approach, because together we are building your confidence in coding and one small exercise at a time. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next exercise.